Hi, Judd here. I mentioned the other day that I had a brilliant idea for my camera to make a boom for it, and after a little bit of internet searching for a lamp that I could modify to do so, I found out somebody actually makes a boom stand for a camera. Okay, I'm not saying this is the one I picked. There are other choices, but this has a good reach, 30-inch reach, and an additional 15-inch pipe to start it out higher. So I think this is going to do the job very nicely. It handles a camera or a phone. I just received this, just was left on my doorstep, and I am very excited to have this. This means I can get the camera right in on the action at full resolution. As you can see, this is just a standard type of boom thing mainly you saw on lamps till now. Here's our extension pipe. There's our clamp. So I can clamp that wherever I want to. I will not clamp it to the bench because then it would rock when I bang on the bench. I'll clamp it to a stool next to the bench. I assume that's a standard 320 thing. So I will be putting my nifty little universal joint that I got a long time ago, which allows me to really move this all around anywhere I want. It's a wonderful little thing. Okay, that thing there will just go right onto here. And then this dial comes up against it, make it nice and tight. Okay, and then I'll be able to adjust that anywhere I want. Oh my God, and they gave me a new one of those. Wow, okay, so you don't need to buy one of those, they gave you one. Wow. Look at that. This is a little beauty, man. These things are great for mounting your camera because you can then put it anywhere you want. This is one of the greatest things I've ever come up with. Whoever came up with it. Okay. Yep, spring loaded. Okay, so that can mount on it to put your phone on it. But the phone will only record for 20 minutes at a time. That's why I don't go with that. I have no idea what these are. Maybe they're cord keepers. Yeah. I suspect they're cord keepers. I could read the instructions, of course. You should read the instructions. I also have a new action camera coming in that does real 4K. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So this piece that I just screwed onto here goes to this pipe or directly to the clamp, and then this pipe this is beautiful. Boy, whoever came up with this one really thought of everything when doing this. There we go. So this is the stool I'm going to use to mount this on. Here's the bracket. Okay, and you can see this will take quite a thickness of material to go onto, so it'll go onto this 1.5 inch or this 3/4 inch seat. It's got rubber feelers on it. Good and tight. Oh baby. Oh baby. Okay, now we put this in here. Good snug fit. I can lock it down if I want to, and bring this camera anywhere I want to. And it holds in position too. That's nice. There we go. Okay, so I can tilt this. Look at that. Okay, so I can tilt that down, tighten that up, tighten this up, and there's my camera right down on top of my project. Woo-wee! Where's my camera? Where did I put my camera? Oh, my camera. I'm using my camera. Okay, so there's my camera. Okay, so I will now, so there you go, there's my new boom mic. I love it. Look at that, baby. I can come right in on there. Wow. So I'm now going to end this part and put that camera onto here and get my butt to work. Now, how's that for a close-up view? We're going to take some clear tape and we're going to tape this. There we go. Now I could actually go in with the green now. I'm going to take a break and then maybe do that.